Good afternoon, everyone. I spent some time in Arizona recently, as y'all know, and this in front of us is one of those things that I visited. It's a big, big place. It's enormous. There's even a roundabout here with cactus in the middle of it. So, where am I? And what am I doing? Well, as I said, I went to 3 giant parks. And Arizona Park number 2, the gigantic Paloma Community Park, is today's visit. So join me, Terry Dixon, for an adventure for anyone in Peoria, Arizona. Now, getting out to Paloma Community Park, that one is interesting. You get on the Lake Pleasant Parkway and you head north. And you are in traffic. Everywhere you go in Arizona, you're zipping past schools. Even though the schools are in session, it's like they're not even there. And even though you get more and more wide open spaces, there's still traffic lights, there's still multiple lanes, and there are still people doing stuff that you really don't want them to do. You always have to look out for the instant right on red people and all of that stuff. But eventually with this one, you head out, you've got the White Tank Mountains out there on that side, and you're out there driving by the cell towers, getting to what I call the middle of nowhere. I live in the Northeast, I live in Connecticut. This is the middle of nowhere, and frankly, some days I enjoy it. But eventually you arrive at the park. Now, Paloma Community Park has got a really long driveway because the whole thing is hidden behind a hill. But this thing is 83 acres, I believe it is. It is a giant park. You can pause this and see what all they have to do. It's just massive. And this is how people in Arizona get out when they don't live in the touristy areas. So as you come down to the park, you see the lights, you see the sheltered areas, you see the mountains in the background. And in this park, all of that is part of the park. It's not that it doesn't go out to those mountains. There's hiking trails that do. It's a massive park to enjoy in a lot of different ways. Hiking trails on the other side of the parking lot, and you have a lot of parking here. But the star of this one, once again, is the lake. Welcome to Arizona. They love water. They stock this with fish. It's reclaimed water, so once again, don't swim in it, don't drink it, please. And it is there primarily for your fishing enjoyment. In Paloma Community Park, you're going to see they also have fishing stations set up. So as long as you have a license, you can fish, but don't bring your own canopies and stuff. Now, Arizona is a very patriotic state, and you're going to find things like this. It's another Soldiers Memorial all over the place. And they are also very noted for these story walks. Story walks are a great thing. It keeps your kids reading. You know, you tell them you got to go walk the dog with me, but you can stop and read all of the story. It's absolutely adorable. They change them from time to time. It's great. Paloma Community Park has a massive amount of lighted ball fields. In the summertime in Arizona, really, really hot. Parks open till 10:30 at night. Lots of people wait to do their playing until after dark in the summertime in Arizona. But I was there in the spring. Everything was blooming. The Palo Verde trees were not only green, but had beautiful yellow flowers. Even some of the cacti were starting to bloom, which they do later in the spring. There's many places to walk. You get your desert taste over here on one side. And, you know, you have the lake behind you. You have the flowering trees. It's absolutely beautiful. And you never know what you're going to see. That is the saguaro cactus next to a dry stream. It's all things that southern Arizona is just absolutely famous for. The Sonoran Desert, full of the saguaro cactus, and they're everywhere you look. Other features about this gorgeous park besides this amazing lake. Once again, as you'll see here in a moment, I said they have fishing stations. You're not allowed to bring tents, awnings, this kind of thing. So what they've done here at Paloma Community Park is they provided things like that for you, so you can get out of the sun a little bit while you're fishing. In this park, you're also going to have pickleball courts, all kinds of ball fields, lighted and unlighted. There's a splash pad for the kids. They have an entire concession and snack bar building, so lots of stuff that you can get to eat. They have all the picnic ramadas with the big hoods and the fancy areas, trails, playgrounds, and dog parks. Not one, but 3, small, medium, and large. So this park, once again, has it all. This is for the people in Peoria. Now, Peoria has 3 big parks. We've seen 2 of them. I didn't make it to the other one this time, but I'm sure I'll have to go out there again, and I'll make it then. Another thing you find is the ducks. Lots of ducks, sometimes the swan, but mostly ducks. And then there's the rules. Lots and lots of rules. Don't leave your fishing hooks and fishing line around. Pick up after your dog. Make sure that you have your fishing stuff to fish, 911 in case of emergency, no shade canopies or tents, and then just all the rest of the rules for the park. That park has the pond. It is in places 14 feet deep, so don't go out there, folks. Just fish like you're supposed to. I did get the opportunity to go back, see the beautiful sunset. It is a great place to see the sunset. Once again, this is north on Lake Pleasant Parkway, just off the 303 north in Peoria. It's a beautiful place. If you're in the area, I recommend you spend some time there.